हाय हेलो सत श्री अकाल, यू ऑल आर वाचिंग पंजाब केसरी नवोदय टाइम्स। मैं हूं आपके साथ नमिता सचदे। और अगर मैं बॉलीवुड की बात करूं ना, तो आई थिंक फीमेल एक्ट्रेसेस आर चेंजिंग द डेफिनेशन ऑफ बॉलीवुड दीज डेज, हिंदी सिनेमा दीज डेज। एंड वन एक्ट्रेस हु इज कॉन्स्टेंटली डूइंग दैट इन बॉलीवुड, शी इज नन अदर देन वेरी टैलेंटेड एंड गॉर्जियस Nusrat Bharucha, who's with us right now. Nusrat, welcome to Punjab Kesari Navode Times. कैसी हैं
Hi,
आप?
thank you so much. Thanks for that intro, yeah. It's really cool. I don't even know I'm doing that, but yeah, I mean, high time we do, na? It's great. We should.
मैंने इसलिए बोला बिकॉज आई हैव सीन यू डूइंग दैट, बिकॉज कमर्शियल फिल्मों से सीधा इस तरह के किरदार चूज करना एक
जी।
मुश्किल डिसीजन भी होता है कि आप ऐसा डिसीजन ले रहे हो। लाइक आपको हमने अजीब दास्तान में देखा, छलांग में देखा, एक अलग किरदार करते हुए, नाउ छोरी। सो हाउ डिड दिस शिफ्ट हैपन टू यू?
यार कोई कॉन्शियस डिसीजन या चॉइस नहीं था टू डू अ शिफ्ट रियली, बट आई डिडंट वांट टू। अगर आप प्यार का पंचनामा 1 या प्यार का पंचनामा 2 देखो, इवन दो पिक्चर सेम थी, बट मेरा रोल बहुत अलग था। एंड ये मैंने व्हेन द राइटर्स आर राइटिंग इट, आई टोल्ड देम, आई सेड ठीक है, हम पीकेपी 2 अगर करें या नहीं करें, जब भी हो, आप बस ऐसा कुछ करो कि बिकॉज बाबू had become so popular, I said either it's the same character again or it's a completely different character जहाँ मैं एकदम ही कुछ अलग ही करूँ. So I've always had this thing of playing something I've not done before or playing something completely different. तो शायद I think it's because my journey is still like, I'm still on it, I'm still young, I'm still new, I still think I'm very new compared to a lot of people. And I feel like I want to do different films in different genres and just do different characters. जो मैंने I mean, if you offer me something I've done before, I'd probably be like, but ये तो मैं कर चुकी हूँ. That maybe that will set in as a performer or an actor, but that's the only choice that I make. That I just want to play different shades of characters and stories. That's about it.
मतलब एक बार को तो मुझे देखकर लगा छोरी में आपको कि क्या ये सच है या भ्रम है? पूछ ही लेती हूँ आपसे।
सच है, सच है, सच है।
Absolutely.
Me right there doing
आजकल
like that.
हाँ, वही मैं जानना चाहती। मैंने कहा आजकल मुझे लगता है इंडस्ट्री का जो पर्सपेक्टिव है ना फीमेल्स को देखने का, पहले के मुकाबले काफी बदल चुका है। व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से अबाउट दैट?
नहीं यार, मैंने तो ये ट्रेंड बहुत पहले ही नोटिस कर लिया था. आई थिंक नॉट ट्रेंड बट like a shift in storytelling, writing, and to be very honest, I'm going to give it to my senior actors with Deepika and Anushka doing like a Piku and doing like a Filori or doing an NH10. They themselves put themselves in that space, created a path which we could follow on. अगर उन्होंने नहीं किया होता और वो फिल्म्स नहीं चलती या वो फिल्म्स, people didn't start investing in films like that or watching it or talking about it, आज हम ये दिन नहीं देख रहे होते. So I feel like, and I feel responsible for people coming after me also, that if there are actresses who want to do different things, we should support stories and writers and directors in creating that path for other people to tread on. वरना तो फिर एक ही path होगा ना, there'll be no other parallel paths. So I really feel like it's them who kind of made this, and I've had the opportunity to kind of walk it. So it's been great.
And I think when I was like watching the teaser itself, मेरे मन में जो जहन में ख्याल आया वो ये था, जो एक लाइन आई वो ये थी कि females are now the real heroes of Bollywood. I think इसमें कुछ गलत नहीं होगा. What do you think?
आप बोलना चाहो तो बोल दो, but
बोल दिया.
I really don't see it like that. यार मैंने तो पिक्चर में बोल दिया मैं विलन हूँ, तो मेरा तो आप ग्राउंडिंग ही नहीं है. मेरा हीरो हीरोइन विलन सब ब्लेंडेड मर्ज्ड ही है. But no, yeah, touch wood, I'm glad there are films where you can see stories of women, whether they are sweet girl next door stories, whether there is a queen who's just trying to have a great time at a honeymoon where she didn't get married, or it's a pregnant lady who's 8 months old and is trying to survive the horrors of things that are happening around her. It's just different stories that are maybe now coming to light and to forefront, and people want to know and want to see. So I think 50% of this or maybe 100% of this is even the audiences. If they don't say कि हाँ we want to watch it, कौन बनाएगा? कौन कम है? बनाएगा कौन? So no, definitely give it to the audiences. Yeah, it's the shift that's happened in them more than us. So yeah.
वैसे विशाल से कहाँ मिली आप? कैसे सोचा कि ये फिल्म करना चाहिए?
यार विशाल से मैं किसी और फिल्म के लिए किसी और प्रोडक्शन हाउस में मीटिंग करने गई थी. जब उस वक्त he was making a film. And we chatted and we talked about so many other things, and I told him even then कि मैंने आपकी लपा छपी नहीं देखी है. I'm just meeting you for the first time. I'll maybe watch it now, which I didn't see even then which he knows. But in any case, the conversation was a lot of fun. I don't know what all we spoke about, but we talked about, I don't know, society, India, politics, cricket, horror,
क्या बात है.
acting. We just spoke about everything there was. And वो आधे घंटे की मीटिंग को 1.5-2 घंटे चली. And somewhere I was like, if he ever brings something to me, I would really like to work with him. I knew that. And then this happened. Like Abundansha came to me with this, and then Vishal sir was directing it, and I said, I'm doing it. Full stop. That's it. I'm doing it. Nobody else. I'm right here. I call dibs. So I did it.
अच्छी बात है. मतलब एज एन एक्ट्रेस अगर मैं जानना चाहूँ कि एज एन एक्टर आपकी क्या अप्रोच रहती है स्क्रिप्ट को चूज करने की अभी, ये मैं इसलिए भी पूछ रही हूँ because when we see you in प्यार का पंचनामा और प्यार का पंचनामा 2, सोनू की टीटू की स्वीटी, ड्रीम गर्ल kind of a film, and on the other hand we see you in these kind of a film, that's a totally different perspective of looking at Nusrat. So आपकी अप्रोच क्या रहती है रोल्स चूज
I think you're right. They're two complete different spectrums, but they both are me. I am those two.
I know that.
Complete extreme. I'm a full. I'll stand up and dance to songs in commercial films and enjoy it. I love it. Like I love it. For me, commercial.
Wow.
Badi picture, masala, mass is like my core. But at the same time, my brain is here. Like I love watching films that challenge, intrigue an audience, whether it's a mystery or a thriller or a suspense, or even something as simple as आपने edit ऐसी की है picture कि it keeps going back and forth in time, which was in Rockstar. And I thought that was very, very cool. You don't know at what point you are in the film. Have you gone back into the past, or is this the present? And it
absolutely.
I like using my brains. I'm like, wait, I need to rewind this and watch it. कि क्या था? Did I miss something? Things like this. So they both are me, and I think which is what reflects, because I enjoy doing both, and which is why I pick both, and I choose to be both as much as I can.
Very nice. तो लब्बा छपी आपने देखी नहीं है, पर मैं फिर ये पूछ सकती हूँ कि रेफरेंसेस लिए अपने किरदार के लिए? फिल्म तो आपने देखी नहीं वाली.
नहीं यार, मैं जब एक कहानी सुनती हूँ या नरेशन लेती हूँ, apart from the story, the first thing that I do is I sit and chat with the director. I need to jam with him to understand if the way he's seeing what is written and the way I'm seeing what is written matches or doesn't match, or is he showing me a vision which I couldn't even imagine. So he's inspiring me to imagine more, and therefore I want to work with him. Or he and I are so synced that I'm like, oh, you know, you're seeing this exactly how I'm imagining it. अब इसको create करने में बहुत मजा आएगा. Now we're both on the same palette, we're on the same page, and now we can really create something that we both look at and we say like, क्या shot था? Like क्या shot था ये?
क्या बात है?
So that the director, yeah, for me always. If I can't,
the director.
If I can't gel or blend with that, and if there is a creative conflict or difference there, I don't know what I would do. मेरे को रोज फिल्म सेट पे आने के लिए सोचना पड़ेगा कि मैं क्या करूं. I'll be lost, which I don't like being. So yeah, director very.
अच्छा, एक डायरेक्टर के लिए it's a baby making a film, है ना? तो छोरी शायद विशाल के लिए भी उनके एक बच्चे की तरह होगी. उनका एक अलग पर्सपेक्टिव रहता है किसी भी किरदार को देखने का, खास करके जब मैं मेन लीड की बात करती हूँ. तो उन्होंने कुछ खास टिप्स दिए कि आपको इस किरदार को ऐसे करना है, या फिर उन्होंने पूरी फ्रीडम दी कि आप अपने तरीके से इसे प्ले करो?
Both. I think दोनों था. He gave me a very clear vision of how he sees the film. He gave me a very clear reason why he thinks I work for the film, which is also very important, Namita. Sometimes for an actor to forget, for a director to forget the actor's previous work and to imagine them as their character of their film is a very big task. So the fact that he imagined me like that was a victory in itself for me. And then for him to tell me how I have to become that was what he gave me. That was his, I think, guiding light or path. Like he said, ये है आपका path. आप इस part पे अब आप क्या करना चाहते हो और क्या नहीं करना चाहते हो वो आप करो. But he gave me like a direction. Yeah, like director gave me direction.
क्या बात है. मतलब you are a director's actor now.
100%. 100%. I can't do it on my own. Like if there is a film where someone tells me, भाई आपको जो करना है करो, I'll be like, ये क्या बात होती है? What do you mean मेरे को जो करना है करो? वो क्या होता है? मैं तो कुछ भी कर लूँ. So I definitely, definitely director's actor, 100%.
अच्छा, जब नुसरत आई थी इंडस्ट्री में और अभी क्या चेंजेस आप देखते हो कि आपके अंदर आ चुके हैं with respect to work और personally भी?
I think I've started looking at a larger picture. I have eyes and ears at the back of my head also now. I'm doing an interview with you, but I can tell you who's sitting there and what she's doing right away.
Oh,
right
wow.
I think that periphery vision of mine has become that, and I can see a larger picture in a path, a career path or a film path, and that gives me peace, and that gives me, like, that calms me down, and that temperament of mine has, I think, evolved because of that. So small things don't bother me. I don't get affected by things, but if it does affect me, then I'm like, you've lost me. Like, I'm out of that door, I'm not coming back ever again. It's that. So I think I've decided my yes, no's, and I can see the larger picture. So I can let things fall in place accordingly. That for me, I think, is very important. जो मेरे को पहले नहीं थी. First I was like, but मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है कि कैसे होगा, कहाँ होगा, कब होगा. That would stress me out more, and that would make me and everybody else around me's lives quite horrible. कि भाई कैसे explain करें इसको कि कैसे होने वाला है. So that has changed in me quite a lot. Yeah.
अच्छा, कभी किसी एक्ट्रेस को कोई रोल प्ले करते हुए देखकर कभी ऐसे जेलस टाइप फील हुआ है कि ये किरदार मुझे करना चाहिए था?
बहुत सारे यार, कैसी बात कर रहे हो, बहुत सारे. Such great actors who've done such great roles in films, and I'm like, and you know, jealousy can very easily be mistaken as insecurity, but it's not. I can be jealous of the fact that shit, yeah, how the hell can she be so talented and do all of this so well, and why am I not able to? It's up to you how you use a negative emotion positively for you. So
wow.
I'm not going to be jealous and be cookered and do like crap about it. I'm like, how do I get better? How do I get to this? How am I able to channel myself that way? Like, how do I get there? So I use it as a positive reinforcement. So I've been jealous of a lot of actors with a lot of roles, and I was like, I wish कभी तो life में ऐसा कुछ आ जाए. तो हाँ.
तो कोई 2-3 roles तो बता दो.
Highway for me was an outstanding role. Udta Punjab for me was an outstanding role again. Rockstar Ranbir for me was unreal. Like, I was like, how? Just how? Even like his walk, I was like, how does this happen? Queen for me again. Tanu as Manu. I don't know, they were just such refreshing performances. They just took me and made me feel things that I didn't think I would feel. Piku, oh my god, like stuff like that. I was like, कितनी sweet stories थी और क्या कर गए लोग यार. So मजा आ गया, stuff like that.
And I think with the kind of roles and films you are choosing now, वो दिन दूर नहीं when for your performance you would be worthy of a national award.
Thanks यार, आपने बहुत बड़ी बात बोल दी. Thank you. Touchwood भगवान, मेरी नहीं इनकी सुन लो.
इंशाल्लाह जरूर सुनेंगे भगवान. और भगवान से ना मेरी पर्सनली बड़ी वो चलती है, तो जल्दी सुन लेते हैं मेरी बात.
डन है फिर तो.
फिर भी पंजाब केसरी से मैं ही इंटरव्यू करने आऊंगी आप.
डन 100%. अब तो कर दिया हमने सेट.
वेरी नाइस. अच्छा, तो यही कहना चाहूंगी, ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट फॉर छोरी नुसरत, एंड आई विश कि फिल्म बहुत अच्छा करे, और जिस तरह से आप आगे बढ़ रहे हो बढ़ते चले जाओ. राइज एंड शाइन. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर टॉकिंग टू अस.
थैंक यू नमिता. थैंक यू सो मच.